Step 1. Find a lazy human. Step 2. Stand on their feet. Step 3. Look around for snacks. Step 4. Fall asleep.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting.
This is a furry potato, also called a squeaky loaf, and sometimes called a whistle-tater. Furry potatoes are completely adorable, with their sniffy whifflers, snack seekers, floppy listeners, teeny tippy tappies, and little potato booties. This one's got a big ol' potato boot.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried you're gonna ask.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
It's becoming increasingly obvious. I can deny it no longer. I am small.
Forever regretting teaching my dog how to whisper.
What was that? Say it again. I can't hear you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Alright, tell me your dog's a fat ass without telling me your dog's a fat ass. Zuna! You're fat.
Who got stuck in the bathtub? Did you get yourself in the bathtub and don't know how to get out? That's what happens, Arlo. That's what happens when you go in the bathtub. When you're so fat you can't get out of it. What are you gonna do now? Yeah, you're stuck.
Alright, Willow. 8 whole bags to fill this bathtub. For you.
That wasn't real. Who cares?
Don't say that. Please don't say that. It was real. It was real to me.
Sorry.
You ready? Go.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Whoa.
What the hell?
Stop saying that.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Stop.
What the hell? What the hell?
Cooper. Cooper, I want my glasses. Give me my glasses back. Cooper. Cooper.
Charles, come here. Get over here, Charlie. I see you.